charge speed Yankee Supra Type 1 Liberty Walk with the Type 2 Liberty Walk. It feels so good to have the GTR back on the road. How much better can this get, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lance. Today we're going on a GTR cruise, meeting up with all the GTR fam, finally taking the GTR out. Now today's gonna be a challenging vlog because I made the biggest mistake. Allegedly, I charged the camera last night and I put it on the charger, but I made the biggest mistake and I forgot to turn on the electrical train. So I had everything plugged in, but the train wasn't on. So that's how my morning's going. If you guys could do me a favor, make it a little better, subscribe to the channel, drop a like for today's video, and let's go for a drive. We got the charge speed Yankee Supra with the Type 1 Liberty Walk with the Type 2 Liberty Walk. This is freaking nuts. We're only missing 2 more wide-body GTRs, but just having all of these together. This was my very first wide-body GTR that I've ever seen. Actually, I take that back. This was the very first ever GTR R35 that I've seen in person. And I knew that one day, as soon as I get a GTR, I already knew that I was gonna do my own GTR build. That's why I wanted to have Armando bring out the R35 the last time we hung out, because I just wanted to appreciate having these 2 cars together. If it wasn't for seeing this car, just as a kid, you know, I was probably like middle school or high school, just cruising around at my grandma's house. I just see this car coming down Kalihi Street, and I'm telling you guys, that's when I knew I was gonna get a GTR, and I'm just lucky that I was able to build it to be a wide body. So yeah, super sick. And this right here is the first, I believe, first Supra silhouette Liberty Walk kit, guys. Like, just look at the angles of this thing. Super long wide body kit. Oh my god, with the gold wheels, Rohanas to be exact. But just having this car, that's freaking nuts. Guys, just look at this Supra, man. Oh my god, that thing is nuts. Liberty Walk silhouette, guys. This thing is nowhere near cheap. I'm gonna say this once and I'm gonna say it again, guys. It feels so good to have the GTR back on the road with everybody. I finally don't have to bring out a 370Z Nismo and just freaking like trying to actually keep up with the GTRs. At least now I can somewhat keep up. All right, let's give it a little go. Well, we are currently heading towards the North Shore. Man, I must say though, just driving the car now and giving it a few pulls, like, this car feels so healthy. And I don't think I've mentioned it before in the other vlogs, but with having the newer tune, new throttle response, TCM mapping and all that, just feels so much better. Like, I can just drive with confidence. I'm not saying that I'm gonna pound it every single time, but at least we know that we can drive with confidence. And as always, I say this, we drive with reliability because you just want to enjoy the car, enjoy the drive. So yeah, we're hungry, let's go eat. Well, we made it to North Shore, but now that we can actually see this thing fully laid out in person, oh my gosh, guys, how much better can this get, guys? Seriously, fitment is like on point. Oh my god. You know what's so funny? I have a friend that's trying to get a Supra, especially these ones right here, and I told him, like, dude, if you get a Supra, we gotta put a wide body kit on that thing, man. But this thing is freaking nuts. Oh my god, with the gold wheels, bruh. Not to mention Liberty Walk with the rose gold wheels. Oh my goodness. Now all of these is GTRs, but the fact that everything is like, you can appreciate every single like small detail into the builds. They're all unique. They're all GTRs, but they're also unique. Liberty Walk, 1000+ horsepower GTR here, 1000+ horsepower GTR here. 2 different setups, but still, this thing is nuts. Of course, you got the wide body over here. Beautiful Advan with the pink. Oh my goodness. Now, this is the one car I wanted to show you guys right here. By the way, shout out to Lawrence. All of this over here, you can see all the carbon from the front lip to the side skirts to the rear lip to the side skirt extension to the rear diffusers. All of that, guys, was mine. They were all like my original parts on the first phase of the GTR build. And the fact that it's on Super Silver again, that's what makes everything so much better, guys. So now I'm gonna pose this to you guys. If I were to sell the carbon hood from mine, and if I were to sell the big wing with the carbon trunk, should I sell it to Lawrence? Like, that's the only person I would sell my carbon trunk, carbon wing, carbon hood to, is just to recreate this build again, like how my old build used to be. And the only thing that's gonna be missing is putting it on bags. Oh my god. Should we recreate the old build? Let me know, guys. But man, just having to see it on a Super Silver with all the old carbon fiber pieces, unbelievable. Now this is something you don't get to see too often, but we're coming down along the top north and east side of the island, but just looking at all of the nice views. I know everybody get to see nice cars on the highways and stuff on other vlogs, but when you're in Hawaii, we're surrounded by water. It just feels so good to have the car running very smoothly, like just going through the winding roads, like just the feel of the tires. It's not as aggressively noisy as the R888s. I really like these MP4 tires a lot better. I tweaked the suspension just a little bit more, and now I think I finally found the right feel for it. But just, man, guys, this car feels so much better. And just, I gotta show Hawaii. You know, I'm from Hawaii, so we gotta show the beauty of it as well. Got the mountainside all the way out there. Nice GTRs, beautiful ocean side, driving along the coast. This is so beautiful. And if you guys are watching to this point and you guys haven't subscribed, better make sure you guys subscribe. And I'm just saying, oh, you just gotta love this, guys. So beautiful, man. Just take a look at this. Wait till we get to the tunnel over there. This is something I've been really wanting to do for the longest of time. Absolutely bonkers, guys. Liberty Walk Silhouette Supra, Liberty Walk Type 1 GTR right here next to me. Let's slow down just a little bit. Oh my god, Liberty Walk GTR Type 2 with the top secret bumper. We're ending today's vlog. Not everybody came, but just having all of these cars here in our secret spot, like honestly, just having this car, and now this car is even more special to me now because I have all the old carbon fiber. Well, my camera just died and now I'm just using my phone to end today's vlog. But honestly, guys, like I cannot explain how happy I am to see this car right here next to my car, guys. This is like almost a reincarnation of what my car used to be because of just all the carbon pieces. And then now we have, of course, the charge speed Genki Soku. Oh my goodness. And we gotta show some love. Some other people left already, but in our secret spot we also got this bad boy over here. I don't know how many times I keep saying this, but this is probably the sickest wide body Supra ever. Unfreaking believable. And with that being said, I'm gonna end today's vlog there. If you guys haven't done so, subscribe to the channel, drop a like for today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, stay driven, and always remember the challenges that leads.